Sonography technology uses ultrasound waves to generate the image of internal organs of the human body. With the help of the probe, here you can see the probe. With the help of the probe, the ultrasound wave is passed through the body and it receives also the reflected sound and the image is created on the computer screen. The sonologist, the sonologist is able to understand the picture which is there on the computer screen and accordingly the diagnosis can be done. So why the what is the cause of the swelling or any infection is there or any pain is there? What is the condition of the heart? The state of the heart after the heart attack as well as the growth of the fetus inside the womb of the pregnant woman can be studied using this sonography technique. Now children, you just observe this probe part. What exactly is done? The image, this like this, you can see this. Okay, these are the parts, internal parts which are located and they do it. And with the help of this all things, some buttons, they are measuring the length, breadth. अगर गांठ हो गई है पेट में तो कितनी कितनी बड़ी है कितनी छोटी है, everything they can measure and they can tell you inside part. Okay, so inflammation is there, any swelling is or any pains are there, they can find out. Now on the probe we applied the gel. Okay, probe you have observed right here, this is the probe. So on the probe, this is the magnification part of the probe. Now on the probe they apply a gel. Okay, now this gel used to make the proper contact between the skin and the probe, so that what happens is the full capacity of ultrasound can be utilized. So gel is applied where you have to apply the gel. This gel partner they apply on the skin outside the internal organ which the person wants to study. For example, you are observed in this particular diagram picture. They are studying the heart. So on the heart part, on the outer part, the skin part, they are applying this gel. Okay, and then high frequency sound is transmitted inside the body with the help of the probe. The sound wave reflected from the internal organ is again collected by the probe and then the image this reflected sound is from the internal organ can be collected by the probe and it is fed in the computer which generates the image of the internal organ and the sonologist is able to understand it. Now children, this method na is completely painless. पेशेंट को कुछ भी नहीं, जस्ट आउटर ऑर्गन पे एक बस प्रोब टच होता है, दैट्स इट. Nothing, we are not able to hear ultrasound, nothing. So it is completely painless. So children, for the diagnosis purpose, sonography is now much in use. हाँ, किसी को किडनी में स्टोन आ गया होता है, किसी को लीवर गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोन रहता है, ये सब कहाँ से दर्द, पेट में दर्द उतना ही बोलते हैं पेशेंट, बट देन वेयर इट इज एंड अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर द डायग्नोसिस पर्पस दिस इज डन. Okay, now the main important part which normally all the females have to undergo, it is the sonography during the pregnancy. To see children, one thing I wanted to tell you that development the science leads the advancement in technology, and we are able to progress. But every coin has two sides. We are using the science, but sometimes the misuse of science also is done, and which has got a very serious consequences on the human life also. So sonography technique is one of it. Now I just tell you how it is. Now as you have seen that on the computer screen, the sonologist is able to understand all the internal parts, right? What all things are there. So when the pregnant lady is there, says above roughly of pregnancy 3 महीने की हुई हो, okay, 3 months. Then they go to the sonologist. That time now slowly you can see the organ starts developing. This is not of 3 months, it is around 5 to 6 months. Okay, this one. But at 3 months also the organ starts developing, and the sonologist is able to see all the parts of the body of the fetus, all the organs, and that is the reason why the all the pregnant lady is told to go for the sonography. उसके हाथ पैर fetus जो भी है, जो भी unborn child है, that one is having proper hands or not, all the fingers, 5 fingers are there or more is there or less is there or any defect in the body is there, then they come to know, and accordingly they say. Sometimes it so happens is that children, some person is having some defect. Okay, means unborn baby is having the defect. So at that time, some parents go for the abortion also. Okay, they don't want a handicapped child or mentally retarded child. Then they go for the abortion. That is killing the child in the mother's womb. ओके, सो ठीक है, वो अभी तक किसी वो जिंदगी भर किसी के ऊपर मोहताज रह कर इससे अच्छा वो जन्म न ले. ओके, दैट इज देयर पेरेंट्स विच. बट नाउ आई टेल यू द फैक्ट विच इज गोइंग ऑन. As the doctor is able to see all the organ, the patient asks whether the fetus is male child or female child. You all are aware that in a Indian society the preference are given to the male child. Okay, किसी को एक बेटी हुई, दूसरी बेटी हुई, and then again the third time they are pregnant, they wanted to know. And if the doctors say yes, it's a female child, then many patients go for abortion. That means they kill the female child in the mother's womb only. So we will see the ratio of male and female gets disturbed. 1000 अगर मेल है इंडिया में तो उसके पीछे सिर्फ 900 वीमेन्स है. Okay, so the ratio has to be proper. It should be more or less equal. There should not be gap. Okay, so discrimination should be stopped. So doctors are told not to talk about the sex of the unborn child, whether it is a male or female. They are not supposed to tell. लेकिन उसके उस आपने देखो कभी जाके ना सोनोग्राफी क्लिनिक पे तो इधर लिखना होता है डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ इज प्रोहिबिटेड इन दिस क्लिनिक, दैट प्रैक्टिस इज नॉट डन इन दिस क्लिनिक. वो सब लिखा हुआ होता है. ओके, दिस इज टू सेव द गर्ल चाइल्ड. ओके, सो if a doctor says that okay, yeah, this is a female child and all, and they people are killing it, or if they come to know the unborn child is a female child or a doctor told, then doctor can be arrested under PNDT Act. So it is a cognizable offense. Okay, female foeticide is now the cognizable offense under the PNDT Act. So he can be behind the bars also. So now the doctors they do not tell, even if you ask now whether it is a male child or female. One first of all we should not ask only. जो भी आएगा जब बच्चा जन्म पैदा होगा तो कितनी क्यूरियोसिटी होता है. We should not ask only before the child is born, whether it is a male or female. Isn't it? So is this part clear to everyone? Sonography.